Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up this all-new 2023 Select Football International Hobby Box. So these will sell fast. This is a pretty limited production box. It's the International Select. These are where you're going to find the exclusive Dragon Scale Prisms. So big hunting there with Stroud rookies and Puka and Richardson and all the guys. This is going to feature a 300 card, a 500 card set, including 100 base, concourse, 100 premier level, 100 club level, 100 suite level, and 100 field level. So lots to go over there for sure. You can find these on our website, sportszonetoyscomics.com. They're listed there. So these also, it is Thanksgiving tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. And then we're going to celebrate with our big Black Friday sale. So first thing you'll see on the card section, we have some right here. We're going to feature $14.99 blasters. So come in and get whatever you want for that. We have the Pokemon ETBs on sale. The PSA graded are on a big discount at $49.99 and $64.99 on the Mint, $29.99 on In the Zone. Here's some of the other specials in the flyer. $19.99 Jersey Fusion packs. Boy, can you, wow, those are going to go quick. Diecast is 25% off. We have Carrera Slot Cars 25% off. Lounge Fly is 20% off. All those Sports McFarlanes at 20% off. And for you RC guys out there, if you're watching this video, probably not, but there's some super doorbusters on some RC vehicles. So, without further ado, the Select. Let's check this out. Let's find some Dragon Scale Prisms. See what one of these look like. So, you're going to find 3 silver, it says, and we can also look for autographs. So, we're going to look pretty hard. I'd like to see one. All right. Tajay Spears rookie. Devon Achan rookie. Oh, there's one of the Dragon Scales. They are non-numbered, and the one we got was Odell Beckham Jr., Brian Burns base, and a Jalen Hyatt rookie. So one Dragon Scale right off the bat. That's cool. So about every other pack is the ratio on the Dragon Scale. George Pickens base. Tank Bigsby rookie. There's another Dragon Scale. Another veteran. Travis Etienne Jr. Sam Howell. And Keyshawn Boutte for the Patriots. Rookie out of LSU. That's cool. We're hitting dragons. It's all about getting those good rookies. Brandon Ayuk, Anthony Richardson. There is one. Really nice Richardson. Oh, another Richardson. Neon Icon. It's Turner and BJ O'Larry. All right, so no Dragon Scale on that one. Will Anderson Jr. Oh, we got a Dragon Scale. Oh, it's a Brock Purdy. And that is the... Whoa, it's numbered to 70. We better check the other ones. Maybe we missed the numbering. Wow. Club level Brock Purdy to 70. Let's check Travis Etienne. Yeah, till 70. Wonder if they're all numbered to 70. We must have missed it on the Odell. Yep, all to 70. Oh, there's Dragon Scales. All right. So that's what this is all about. Keep hunting the Dragon Scales. Cool. Well, we just need some rookies now instead of the veterans. That would be nice. Stetson Bennett. Oh, here's our silver It's a die-cut silver, so there's one of the three. It's Will Anderson Jr., Stephon Diggs base, and Christian McCaffrey base. So, liking the select, for sure. Just need to hit the right rookie. His name's C.J. Stroud. Jaden Reed, rookie. Trey McBride base. There's a cool Laporta insert. Tyson Bagent, rookie. Jalen Jones, rookie. All right, Derrick Henry. Another Tyson Bagent. Brock Purdy, that's the SSBP. All right, so that's a short printed one there. Ooh, Gibbs rookie, that's a good one. And Mark Andrews base. Let's get our first Dragon rookie here. Saquon. Oh, we got one. Oh, cool. And it is. It's a Sam Laporta Dragon Scale rookie. We will send that in to PSA. Numbered to 70. That is a nice card. Set that right down in front. Jahan Dotson and a Zach Harrison rookie. Very cool. All right, so 2 more to go. Need one of those quarterbacks. Josh Allen. Could be a rookie or Tommy DeVito die cut silver. Tua. So there's basically something in every pack, really. We have 1 more silver and 2 more Dragon Scale. So there should be, every pack should have something to hunt for. Boy, that one's got print lines right up the card. Another Sam Laporta. There's our last silver, and it is a Joe Flacco on the Cleveland Browns. Different kind of die cut. Jordan Battle, Tyree Wilson. So 2 packs left, 2 Dragon Scales left. Who is it going to be? Demario Douglas, Jaleel McLaughlin. It is a Cam Chancellor for the Seahawks. 31/70. Oh, nice. Puka Nacua. CeeDee Lamb base. And our last pack. All right, little last pack magic here. Hopefully, Brandon Ayuk, Joe Flacco. Oh, no. Nope, not on this one. Donovan McNabb, 50/70. And it looks like it's got some, I don't know, card rash, we'll call it there. Dalton Kincaid rookie, and a Josh Allen base to end it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. This was, a lot of people are asking about these international boxes, what's in it. Hopefully that answers a question for you. A lot of cards. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.